Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Edition, and the title of the video is Unhinged Woman Pepper Sprays Police Officer and Plays the Victim. Come on now, how you gonna do something to the officer and then want to play victim afterwards? That don't make no sense.
I didn't even get out the door. Like, I ain't put no stuff in my purse or nothing. He just like kind of manhandled me.
On May 10th, 2022, while on duty at a department store, an officer was notified of a shoplifting in progress.
How you doing, man? Too late.
No, sir.
Stop. Please. Don't make it worse than it already is.
Where she thought she was running to?
Please don't do it.
I don't care.
Please, sir.
Where she think she running to? Come on now.
Please, sir. Please, sir. Please.
Metro, she's running from me. Start them quick. She's in the store still.
Man, they both slow as hell, man.
They're out
What
back
the
in the
hell?
parking lot still running.
Please, sir. Please, look back. Get away from me! Get away from me!
Keep you catching more charges, man.
Get away from me! Get away from me!
You catching more charges.
Get away from me! I can't go to jail. I can't go to jail. I can't.
You shouldn't have been stealing that. What you mean you can't go to jail?
If you spray me with that shit, I'm gonna put you in jail.
You gonna put me in jail anyway?
Felony.
Get away from me.
God almighty knows. Metro, she just sprayed me with mace. She's in a white sedan, fleeing in the car.
What is going on here? Is this an old timer or something? This gotta be an old timer. This has to be an old timer. Like, man, you know, grab her, you know, put her in that, you know, come on now. But I'm talking about before she sprayed him. You know what I mean? Like, yo, she reaching for this and that. You ain't got a taser. You ain't got a nothing. Right? You ain't got an elbow. Oh, act right. What? Oh, you know, she reaching. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Like, stunting. Once they doing all that and resisting, it be fair game. It is what it is. She's an idiot.
It's a white four-door sedan.
Theo's Impala.
There you I should have just slammed her on the ground and quit playing with her.
That's what I'm saying.
Well,
See?
unfortunately, the news isn't going to treat you that way, Sarge.
And in video, suspect escaped.
7929 Abercorn, 7929 Abercorn. It's gonna be a black expedition and a
That's a lesson learned right there.
What was her last direction of
See,
travel?
he an
Which
old
way she
timer.
go?
Okay.
On Apache, going down Shawnee
Yeah, he already
towards
got
Middle
heading
Ground?
that way.
Okay.
I mean, he got sprayed.
Oh,
45
that.
to
Okay, that makes sense
unit that
now.
was asking for the direction of travel. They're saying that they went towards Middle Ground off of Apache. What color was it?
White.
10-4. It was a white in color Chevrolet Impala that's going eastbound towards Middle Ground on Shawnee's direction, not Apache, Shawnee.
right now.
Right to the right. I dropped her purse.
What was the tag?
I called it out. I didn't write it down, dude. I could barely see.
I got you. Let me see if it's in there.
Dispatch to 44 Bravo 1. at Walgreens.
Did he put out that she has pepper spray? Will you use it?
Oh, yeah, we know. We got a few guys over in the area.
Still in there and her phone.
She got to eat.
Wait, her ID was in there?
Yeah, I got her purse from her.
You're the officer.
That's her
Okay.
purse.
This is her purse?
That's her purse.
What's up, Wilson?
Officers located the woman's ID and matched it with the vehicle's registration,
Oh, she down.
successfully identifying her. When they followed up at the listed address, they observed the vehicle arriving to drop off a young child. However, upon noticing the police presence, the woman fled, reaching speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. The pursuit ended in a neighborhood where she was eventually caught after nearly driving into a pond.
Give us just
Barron's Way.
Barron's Way. We need a supervisor for you.
You definitely going to jail now.
It's just a rough time for me.
Okay. That's still not an excuse for anything.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Between houses.
You sorry?
Yeah, we'll just.
I don't got nothing on my
I've already gone through her pockets.
Okay.
1343, it had an entrance.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm walking around front now.
Oh, boy.
We'll be right back.
Yeah, you're good.
Hey, young lady. My name is Sergeant Washington. This is Detective Brunson. We're both property crimes detectives for Savannah Police. How you doing? Can we get you anything to drink? Okay.
We heard the officer side of the story. We heard officers on the scene side of the story. Heard your family side of the story. Do you want to talk to us and let us know what's going on? What happened? Why you did what you did?
Just being rough on me. No.
It's a yes or a no, ma'am. I just have to read something to you if you want to speak with us. Okay, give me a second.
Once again, we want to make sure you're okay. You want water? You want anything? You feel the air in there? You feel the air? The AC? It's pretty cool? Okay.
All right, give me 1 second. All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney and to have an attorney present during any questioning. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be provided for you at a government expense. Knowing and understanding your rights as I explain them to you, are you willing to speak to us and answer any questions without an attorney present? Okay. Did you use any drugs today?
No.
Okay. Are you in a good mental capacity at the moment?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So again, I spoke with everybody. I'm Detective Bronson, my sergeant, Sam Washington. We spoke with everybody pretty much involved. Can you walk us through what happened? We know that you were trying to get some baby clothes for the I think you told the officer that. Can you walk me through from there of you procuring the items and why that was done?
Well, it was done because it was stupid. So, you know, I can't make no excuse for that. But I didn't even get out the door. Like, I ain't put no stuff in my purse or nothing. So, like, when I was like, okay, I'll put the stuff down, he just, like, kind of manhandled me. And, like, I was like, and then he said, I don't give a fuck. And that's what really triggered it.
Okay. And then from there, what happened, man?
I tried to get in the car.
Okay. You said he manhandled?
Thank you.
He said he manhandled you. Did he grab you on the shoulder, the arms?
He grabbed my arm, he grabbed my wrist.
Okay.
He grabbed my side. He manhandled me.
like,
yeah, he roughed me up. And like, yeah, I'm not going to make no excuse. Y'all know I was doing something wrong, but goddamn. You ain't got to do all that.
He barely touched you.
Pepper spray him at that point to protect yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I felt like, you know, he was saying all kind of crazy stuff.
I understand. That's kind of, you know, parent, you both die, you never know.
What
everybody, how everybody feeling that moment?
What you can? The other side. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So, you know, we got that part. You told him that he said you don't give a fuck. At that which point you pepper sprayed him, and then you went in your car, or your mom's car.
Yeah, my mom's car.
And then, who was the kid?
But they said it was kids in the car. It was no kids in the car by myself.
Okay, I was outside. I was parked right in front when you pulled in front of the house.
But that was like after the fact. But they said that I was driving reckless with my kids, and that wasn't true.
That's what your family said? I'm pretty sure you spoke to him because that's who I talked to.
Yeah,
so
that wasn't true. Like,
was that your kid?
No. My kids with their daddy.
Okay, who was the kid with you? Just someone that you dropped off to
just somebody that was dropping off over there.
All right, so you dropped the kid off. Cool. At which point, that's when I was outside the house. Officers tried to stop me. Took off. You're going about 100. Going about 100. What you going on?
Stupid, man. It was stupid, man. Like, you know, I can't make no excuse for it.
You drive now, you know.
Like, apparently I can't.
Could have worked for us.
Like,
took off.
I can't make no excuse for it, you know. I'm not gonna try to make an excuse for it. It was stupid, you know. It's just a hard time, but it's no excuse for it. But like, if that officer wouldn't have roughed me up like that, then I wouldn't have.
You would have just said, hey, I did it, whatever.
Yeah, and then, you know, it is what it is.
I got you. For sure. Okay, at which point now that leads us to here?
No. We not letting you slide like that. Listen, I see the move. You got the good detectives, the brothers, you know what I'm saying, getting her to warm up, the little pen to help her out. Do you want something to drink? Listen, we get all that. But you're not going to sit here and say that, oh, if the officer wouldn't have touched me, then I would have just been like, oh, you know, whatever, I did it. Because if that was the case, you would have stopped in the store when he initially stopped you. It should have never even got to the car where he trying to drag you out of the car because you reaching for something. Oh, damn. Oops. Hold on. Okay. It shouldn't have never even got to that point to where he trying to get you out of the car because you keep leaning over, grabbing for something. So we not gonna sit here and fall for that. Oh, if he wouldn't have roughed me up, I wouldn't, because it should have never even got to that. He caught you in the store. All right, you got it. My bad. You know, and take your little trip down to the county. But now you definitely getting time. Now you pepper sprayed the officer. Not only that, listen, I don't know if some of you guys know, but I'm a former correction officer. So with that being said, you know, when you get into the system and stuff, there's certain things that people click on all cylinders about. You feel me? And you assaulted an officer? An officer, period. You know, correct? Whatever. Period. Like a police officer, you pepper sprayed the police, you ain't getting nothing. Nothing. You gonna have a miserable time in there. You hear me? Like, I'm telling you, like, what? Oh, child, oh, you might miss a few nah, but hey, I can't say too, but hey, it gets like that. It definitely gets like that. And for you guys that, you know, have done time or anything like that, unfortunately, you know what it is. You know what it is. You assaulted an officer, you're gonna have a miserable time in there. That's all I'm gonna say. That was not worth it for some little petty theft.
Again, what you're driving. I don't know what school you went to for driving, but I mean, you talking about fitting a needle in something that small. What are you doing? That's impressive.
Give me a job, I won't have to steal.
Man, I think a little late for that. If you would have a couple months back, maybe.
I think you still got job offers because that's some serious driving.
I'm talking about,
you know, some serious driving.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
No.
And I'm sorry that officer got pepper sprayed, but they got, you can't just be handling people all kind of jacked up ways like that.
And I appreciate you.
Yeah, I'll let him know that.
I apologize.
Okay, I appreciate you speaking with us. I hope you feel better.
What's going on with this?
I don't know, this hell is just in my eyes, water.
Gotcha.
You probably got some pepper spray on your hair.
Yeah.
From earlier.
Right. And then,
but it's burning.
Yeah, you might got some pepper spray and then your lashes or whatever. I know EMS was just here. Did they look at you?
Yeah, but it wouldn't burn it then.
Okay.
Well, we're trying to get you out of here. We'll see you get some tissue, but we're trying to get you transport, okay? You ready to go now?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, for sure. We'll get
there. All right. Thanks.
The woman was charged with shoplifting and felony obstruction. Share your thoughts below and remember to like and subscribe.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.